Your devices deserve expert care, and Mayfield Specialists delivers just that. From iPhones to laptops and Samsung phones, they handle all repairs with precision and speed. Cracked screen, dead battery, water damage. Their certified technicians use genuine parts to restore your gadgets quickly. Located in Mayfield, Newcastle, they offer affordable pricing and a warranty for peace of mind. Need your repair done fast and right? Trust Mayfield Specialists to get you back online without hassle. Contact them today and experience top quality service you can rely on every time.